Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Your friend Anil Saharan is here with a story for you. Our video is uploaded every day at 8 a.m. So subscribe to the channel. You will enjoy learning English and listening to the story. So let's start the story. The name of our story is A Journey of Self-Discovery. In a small village where life revolved around farming, food, and family, there lived a boy named Arav. He dreamed of exploring big cities, doing something extraordinary, and living his dreams. But dreaming and turning dreams into reality are two entirely different things. This is the story of Arav's journey of chasing dreams, falling, rising, and finding his true self. Arav was the son of a poor farmer. He attended the village school, but always thought differently. While his friends discussed farming, he imagined big city offices, skyscrapers, and the fast-paced life he saw glimpses of on TV and heard about on the radio. One day, he heard a quote on the radio. "Dreams are not what you see while sleeping. Dreams are what keep you awake." These words struck a chord deep within him. Arav's biggest dream was to become a successful entrepreneur. However, his father often said, "Our life is limited to farming. Dreaming of the city will only bring disappointment." But Arav's heart believed he was destined for something greater. Arav decided that to achieve his dreams, he had to start somewhere. He began reading about business at the village library, where he discovered a book titled How to Start Your Business Star. It became his guiding light. The obstacles soon began to appear. His father warned, "Our money is scarce even for your education. Don't waste your time on useless dreams." Arav understood he needed to pursue his dream discreetly while continuing his studies. He started a small side hustle, helping locals with designs and marketing. Though small, it was a step towards learning and earning. After completing high school, Arav convinced his father to give him 1 year. "If I fail, I'll return and work on the farm," he promised. Reluctantly, his father agreed, and Arav left for the city with only a book, a notebook, and his dreams. In the city, he was overwhelmed by the pace and lifestyle. Everyone seemed to be in a rush. Arav found a job at a stationery shop and spent his nights working on business ideas. He frequented internet cafes, researching and drafting strategies for his first venture. With limited resources, Arav came up with the idea of selling eco-friendly bags. It reminded him of his village, where people sought alternatives to plastic. He believed that balancing quality and affordability could make his idea a success. Arav launched his eco-friendly bag business with the help of 5 villagers who crafted the bags while Arav marketed them in the city. For a few months, sales were steady, but soon competition increased and demand plummeted. He lacked funds for marketing and distribution. One day, he had an opportunity for a large order, but couldn't fulfill it due to insufficient resources. It was a significant failure for Arav. He began questioning himself. Were his father's warnings true? Was dreaming a mistake? One evening, while sitting in a park, Arav saw an old man tidying his garden. Striking a conversation, Arav shared his story. The old man said, "Failure is a teacher. Those who give up after failing never learn. You've taken the first step. Don't stop now." These words reignited Arav's determination. He decided to revamp his business model, partnering with local schools and NGOs promoting eco-friendly products. This strategy worked. Gradually, his business began to grow again. Over the next few years, Arav expanded beyond eco-friendly bags to other sustainable products. He reinvested a portion of his profits into education and development projects in his village. This initiative made his brand even more popular. Arav's dream had now become a reality. He was a successful entrepreneur, bridging the gap between his village and the city. Reflecting on his journey, he told his father, "Dreaming isn't wrong. It only becomes wrong when we stop working hard to achieve those dreams." Today, Arav's brand is recognized globally. His story inspires countless individuals. His message is simple yet profound. Never fear small beginnings. The bigger the dream, the stronger your determination must be. Arav's journey teaches us that every failure is a step closer to success. I hope you guys like this story. You can also watch our old videos. What do you think about this story? Let me know in the comments. You can tell me if you want any changes in the video. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you have watched the whole video, it means you must have liked it. So don't forget to like and share it.